Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to kind of share some thoughts and do a kind of a quick comparison between the S6 Edge and the S6. I've had a lot of people ask me which one they should buy, and so I thought I'd share some of my thoughts on that with you. Now let me turn on auto brightness on both so they're kind of even here. There we go. And both displays are the same resolution. Both internals are basically the same. One of the external differences, aside from the curved display on the Edge, is the SIM card slot on the Edge is on the top. The SIM card slot on the Galaxy S6 is on the side. So that's one of the differences there. One of the other differences obviously is the curved display, and the S6 is slightly taller than the S6 Edge. So really not much of an issue, but that's what it basically is, what's different between the two. Now as far as the feel in the hand, the S6 Edge is where most people say I'd rather have an S6. I've handed these phones to multiple people to try out and say, what do you think is better? And a lot of them say they like the idea of the curved display, and I'm there with them, but they say that in the hand, because your thumbs tend to rest on the sides, this is really thin here, and most people say they prefer the solid feel of the S6, and you can see it's much wider there, and it actually feels much nicer in the hand. So that's definitely a plus, especially if you're going to use screen protectors and cases. You're not going to get the advantage of this Edge display as much as you might with the S6. So that's one of those things. Now, obviously, there's the price difference as well. The S6 Edge is a $100 premium over the S6, so you're going to have to pay that as well in order to get the curved display. Now, the curved display has promise, and I think in the future we'll see some more things with them, but right now there's basically Samsung applications that apply to this display. It feels fantastic when you're scrolling side to side because your fingers and your thumbs just roll right off that side, where here it just feels like pretty much every phone that's been made since, well, smartphones began, so with touchscreens. So that's pretty much the same on anything as far as that goes. But this curved display and the curved edges like the Moto X kind of give you a similar feel. Even the iPhone, if you don't have any cases on them, feel really nice. But basically at this point, unfortunately, for $100, I just can't say that it's worth it. It's more of a gimmick as far as that goes. Now, we do have slightly different batteries in them as well, but they're basically going to last about the same throughout the day. Neither has replaceable batteries or anything like that. So I'd have to say, just from my experience in the majority of people holding this, I'd have to say don't go with the Edge unless it's something that you're really sold on or you just really appreciate, and you're not going to use it with a case, because without a case, it feels fantastic, but with a case, kind of ruins that Edge. So definitely something to consider. But other than that, they're basically the same. You'll save $100 here, spend an extra $100 here. And that's about it. But I'd love to hear what you have to say in the comments below. If maybe you picked up an S6 or an S6 Edge, let me know that as well and why. And maybe you returned one and got another one. Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Obviously, the people around me are going to have different opinion than the millions out there that actually bought these phones. So again, let me know in the comments below. If you have any other suggestions, let me know there as well. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.